sorry. Okay, we're going to open this up a bit and just crack and fill it up. I think this one was just paper too, I mean. I thought it was worse. I think it's just a part of the joint of the paper. There, we've got lining paper on this line.
Would that have been put on after the plaster was put?
Yeah.
Why do they do that then?
Oh, just popular sort of years ago. Just get a bit of plaster, just give me 1 second. Oh.
Well, the holes are filled.
No, you can't jump up the ladder. They won't be coming back, the possums, though.
Oh my goodness. Hello?
Speaking.
There, how you going, mate? Good on you.
Tomorrow at 7 o'clock I'm starting, okay?
Yep, no problem. I'll leave the... Actually, I'm going to leave the sand on the truck and the vacuum cleaner, okay?
Okay, so I'll just come and pick up in the morning, alright?
Yep, no problems here.
But he will be in the same place?
So, key in the same place, and I'll put what you need, the sand and the vacuum, on the back of a truck.
Alright, no worries, man.
I'll see you down there later.
Alright, see you, mate.
See you, matey. Thanks so much, see you. Bye-bye.
No worries, mate.
Thanks, matey. Yeah, so I've just given this a skim. It was only a paper joint. I thought it was a crack in the plaster. Okay, thank you very much.